Question number 4 says, a demolition company wants to build a brick wall to hide from public view the area where they store wrecked cars. Working together, a master bricklayer and his apprentice can build the wall in 12 hours. Working alone, it takes the apprentice 10 hours longer than the experienced bricklayer to do the job. How long would it take the experienced bricklayer working alone? So, again, usually the last sentence tells us what they're looking for. Not always, but I'd say most of the time. So I'm going to let x equal how long it takes the experienced bricklayer So the apprentice, we don't know how long it takes the apprentice, but we do know that it's 10 hours longer in comparison to the experienced bricklayer. So whatever x is, if I just add 10, so x plus 10, that will tell me how long it takes the apprentice. Okay, so for my problem, I need to set up my two fractions added together equal to 1. This is going to be x, this is going to be x plus 10, and together we know it's 12. Okay, so to solve this equation, I need to get my LCD, and my LCD is x times x plus 10. So if I multiply each of these by my LCD, and I didn't give myself enough room here, and I cancel out everything that cancels. This leaves me with 12 times x plus 10 plus 12x is equal to x times x plus 10. And I need to do a lot of distributing here. So this will be 12x plus 120 plus 12x is equal to x squared plus 10x. So if I combine like terms, that is 24x plus 120 is equal to x squared plus 10x. Now, because there's an x squared, I'm probably going to have to solve by factoring. So when I factor, I want the x squared to be positive. So I'm going to leave that on the right and move everything to the right. So it's going to be x squared, 10x minus 24x is going to be minus 14x. And the 120 is going to be a minus 120 on that side. Okay, so if we factor that, I can put the x and the x, and what two numbers multiply together to give me negative 120, but add together to give me negative 14? That would be a minus 20 and a plus 6. So I can set each of those equal to 0 and solve. Okay, so mathematically these are both correct. However, only one of them makes sense. And the negative one doesn't make sense because we're talking about time. So the 20 is going to be our only answer, and it's 20 hours.